Everything you need to know about confirmation statement. The annual confirmation statement was introduced on 30th of June 2016 as a new filing requirement. It has replaced the annual return, Companies House Form AR01, but easily serves the same purpose. Every company and limited liability partnerships, LLPs, that are registered in the UK should deliver at a confirmation statement to Companies House minimum within every 12 months, even if the business is inactive. The purpose of a confirmation statement. The purpose of a confirmation statement is to make verifications about the important company data that is registered at the Companies House and shown on the public registered is accurate. If any information that is recorded is inaccurate or not up to date when the confirmation statement is due, the information should be updated by the company from beforehand, or in the same time when delivering the confirmation statement. The confirmation statement is easier than the annual return as there is no need to go through the previous data if there were no changes made in the past 12 months. If the details of your business are same, then you do not have to report any changes. All you have to do is check and confirm the information held on the public record and submit the statement. What does a confirmation statement consist of? To complete a confirmation statement, companies need to check the information registered at the Companies House and confirm that it is accurate and up to date. For the confirmation, you need to check the data mentioned below. Location of the company's statutory registers, that is registered office or sale address. Significant business activities. Name of all the shareholder. Statement of capital. Number of shares the company holds. The total nominal value of those shares. The total amount that is unpaid on those shares. For every class of shares, you will have to provide prescribed data of the rights, the total shares of that class, and aggregate of the nominal value of shares. The shares' trading status. Details of people of significant control. Can changes be reported by using the confirmation statement? You can state certain changes to your company's information by using the confirmation statement, similar to what you can do with the annual return. The information that can be renewed are mentioned below. SIC codes. Details of the shareholders. Paid-up share capital. And other information like amendments to the officer's details and the registered office. Needs to be reported separately using the relevant Companies House form. Deadline for filing a confirmation statement. It is necessary to file a confirmation statement once in every 12 months. The due date is known as the confirmation date, that falls under the anniversary of the company formation. On this date, you need to confirm that all the information held on public record is accurate. Before we go to the next point, I would like to tell you that this video is sponsored by rtrsupportslimited.com. RTR Supports Limited can provide UK company and bank account in one day. Please visit rtrsupportslimited.com for more information. Who is responsible for filing a confirmation statement? The people responsible for filing a confirmation statement are the company directors, company secretaries and designated LLP members. They need to ensure that a confirmation statement is delivered to Companies House, either through online or post every year. It should reach the Companies House within 14 days after the confirmation date. How can you file a confirmation statement? Confirmation statements can be filed in 3 ways. Through post using paper form CS01. Online via web filing. Online through a company formation agent. Thank you. Please share your reviews and ask if you have any questions regarding this video in the comment section below. We'll answer you shortly. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such videos.